What is electrical estimating software? Electrical estimating software helps construction professionals approximate the labor, materials, and difficulty of electrical jobs by utilizing vast databases to create accurate quotes. Common features of electrical estimating software include degree of difficulty selectors, so estimators can charge different rates depending on job or task level difficulty. Energy-specific formulas calculate voltage drops, loads, fault currents, wireway counts, and National Electric Code tables. Item databases with symbol recognition automatically match electric work plan symbols to price thousands of items across numerous distributors. Assemblies utilize thousands of pre-built, customizable templates to assess lighting requirements and define modified construction, saving estimators a lot of time. Our team of free advisors can give you a personalized shortlist of software options that fit your needs. Get customized matches in minutes by calling the number on your screen, or get connected with a free advisor by going to softwareadvice.com.